Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note Edge, and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. Alright, so let's pretend that I've got some problems with Google Chrome, so I cannot really open it. If it tries to open, it immediately closes. So in this video, I'd like to show you how to fix that. So let's begin with opening the app info. Let's tap on it and hold it and go to app info. So here I'd like to do two different things. So first of all, remove cache. Cache are files that are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the usage of the app. Moreover, sometimes if they are corrupted, they could interfere and cause some problems. So just go to storage and cache, and here we've got the cache section. So just tap on clear cache. Your device will do it immediately. Well, moreover, I highly recommend to tap on force stop, because if the app is working in the background and it wasn't properly closed, then it will have some problems with the reopen. So just tap on force stop, tap on OK, and after this combination, you can try to open the app again, and hopefully it will work. If not, then probably the problem lies in, the problem is deeper. And the first thing I recommend to check are the updates. Because if you've got the newer system version and the older app version, there could be some compatibility issues between them. So what we have to do is to open the Play Store. Of course, you need to be logged in, so be aware. Here, tap on search and enter the name of the app that you'd like to update. And as you can see, if there is the update, your device will immediately show it to you. All you have to do is to tap on update, let your device fully update the app, and to be honest, it should fix the issue in 90% of problems. Usually it will simply help. However, sometimes the updating might also cause an additional problem with the overwriting, because if you're downloading the update, your device will simply overwrite newer files over the older one, and sometimes this overwriting operation might have some problems, something went wrong, etc. In that case, if the update didn't help you to open the app, then I highly recommend to come back here, tap on Google Chrome, and instead of update, you will have the option uninstall. So I highly recommend to uninstall it, let your device do it fully, and install it again. It will help because your device will directly download and install the newest app version without this overwriting thing, which should help with the issue. And as an additional option that you can actually do is to update your system, because it's the same situation. If you've got older system and newer app version, then the compatibility issue will pop up, and again you will have problem. So to do that, just go to the settings, scroll all the way up to find INFINIX Note Edge, and here tap on check for updates. And basically your device will check for the updates, and if you've got any kind of update, I highly recommend to download it, not only to fix the app but also for your own security. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.